coming in the other side of Ammi Kennett Road. While it may be 77 degrees, I've got quite the story. Woke up yesterday in May and couldn't talk. Very confused, had no idea what was going on. So, called the meat wagon, dragged me up to the hospital. It's hypothermic. Body temp was 88. Moral of that story, there's some water up here still. Don't take a warm shower and fall asleep next to a open window on a 40-degree night, apparently. It's one of those, only happens to me. Turns out it's actually pretty common. That I did not know. Ago, and there was actually, I just missed somebody in a Jeep coming through here. Be my first time through here with the slightly wider tires. See if the muddy section doesn't kick me around as much. Right up. We got quite a bit of rain last week, but we needed it. It's got to be up there in the top 5 phrases white people say incessantly. We need the rain. Right up there with, we made great time. Fuck up. Be less interesting. as dry as I thought. Much nicer to creep through without having those narrow ass tires. Before it couldn't pick a fucking rut it wanted to stick in. Really? Go to 4 low and shut up. Crawl up on. Woohoo! And there we go. Love to get permission to go out on the sides there. You know there's some really nice views somewhere up there on the right. It's all posted. People that go out on posted land and just say fuck it. You're the reason we have less and less fucking places we can ride around. But I digress. You do you. That own huge swaths of land out here didn't care as much. Problem is people trash shit. Damn kids. Oh, those posted signs are like brand new. Somebody's been up here. Tried to take my trailer hitch off. All I ever do is on an exit I'll occasionally smack it into the ground. But there's 4 bolts and they got blue Loctite on them, and the air gun turned all the way up, wouldn't budge them. Gotta get it on a lift with a fucking breaker bar. It's ridiculous. So I was like, fuck it, just leave it. See how bad this is. Not bad at all. onto my passenger seat. Wasn't even spinning. Well, much. These mud terrains. I thought my Summit tires I had on this threw fucking mud 300 feet in the air. These ones stick out past the fenders, so it's like 3 times as bad. Or as good, depending on the day. I'm trying to stay relatively clean because I gotta go back to the doctor's. Figure some paperwork out. Needed to talk to myself in the woods for a while. Listen to the birds. Woohoo. I don't know how my winch plate doesn't hit there. Alright. Till next time.